If you need to log into Gmail as a different user, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch accounts and sign in with a new Gmail address without any confusion. This is super helpful if you manage multiple email accounts, share a computer, or just want to access a different inbox fast. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail's sign-in page or your current inbox, depending on whether you're already logged in. If you're already signed in to one account, don't worry, you can still switch to another one very easily. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or the first letter of your name. When you click it, you'll see a small menu with account options. In that menu, click Use Another Account. This tells Gmail that you want to sign in with a different email address instead of the one currently connected to the browser. Now you'll see the sign-in screen. Enter the new Gmail ID you want to use. Make sure you type the full email address correctly because even a small typo can stop you from signing in. After entering the email, click Next. Gmail will now move you to the password step for that specific account. Type in the password for the new Gmail account, then click Sign In. If the password is correct, Gmail will log you into that different user account right away. And that's it. You've now successfully logged into Gmail as a different user. From here, you can check emails, send messages, and use all the normal Gmail features under the new account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.